Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. What's going on?
I wanted to see what you're up to.
Just wrenching on the sled.
I have an adventure planned for us.
Oh yeah, I'm interested. Keep talking.
It's a surprise, and it's going to blow your mind,
Really? A surprise?
but you gotta trust me.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Let's go. I'm down. But my sled's in pieces.
Grab your gear bag. I got 2 new sleds. I got everything else packed. Ready?
I guess I am. Looks like you thought of everything. Let's go.
There's just one more thing.
Oh yeah? Whoa! What the hell is this?
Surprises are way more fun.
Come on. You gotta tell me where we're going.
Why don't you calm down? Patience is a virtue.
Just gotta go grab something for a sec. Don't go anywhere.
Can't forget the trail map.
Are you ready?
I guess so. Come on. You gotta tell me where we're going.
Why don't you calm down? Patience is a virtue. We're almost there. Are you excited?
I would be if I had any idea where we were going.
Don't be boring. This is going to be so worth it.
Guess what? We're here. Get dressed, dude.
Bluetooth intercom connected.
I'm gonna start counting.
Counting what? Okay, this is pretty cool.
That's 1. Now try and keep up, Slowpoke.
This is beautiful.
That's 2. It's gonna be like this everywhere we go today.
This is incredible.
But wait, there's more.
Well, this is just stunning.
That's 4.
Katie, you totally delivered. You blew my mind today. I can't believe what I'm seeing. But where am I?